In this Geosurface tutorial, we are going to look at the import image overlay or import reference image tool. So you'll find that one at the bottom of the map screen, the middle button. It's called load reference image. And where this could be useful, as an example here, let's say you've got an old map or you've got something in paper or an old JPEG or something of a field map, and you'd like to have that available as a reference so that when you're just doing your drainage design, you can have it on the map. And in this case, I've got an EC map of a field, and I want to be able to just sort of see that in the background to help me maybe target my drainage a little bit, maybe try and target some of the areas with the highest EC, especially if you're designing targeted tile drainage. That could be useful. So I'm going to save that. I just took a screenshot. I'll just save it as a JPEG. I already did. And again, you just need an image format. So you can use a JPEG, PNG, a bitmap, GeoTIFF. Easiest way just to take a screenshot of something and then save it. It'll save either as a JPEG or a PNG. And then you can just either browse to it, or I'm just going to drag and drop it straight in here. So what you'll see then is on the left hand side, you'll see your reference image, and we just need to geotag it just to drop it in the right place. Now, accept that it won't always be completely perfect, but it'll give you a pretty good idea. So I'm going to choose, you've got to choose one point on the reference image, and then you need to click on the equivalent point on the map. And again, the reference image field corner, reference image on the map. And you need to do that 4 times. So make sure you click once on the reference image and once on the map. And then it's going to warp it a little bit and fit it and apply it to the map. Now, the higher the resolution your image, the better the quality will be, but it could be at the extent of slowing your performance down a little bit. It's quite intensive to overlay these on the map. So if it looks good, hit add to map, and now we can see there is our EC map overlaid on the field, and then we can use that as a reference for our design. And you can also, you'll see now it'll say reference image loaded under map layers, and you can also adjust the transparency as well. So it might be handy to be able to use that in conjunction with any of the other reference layers that we can load up in here, and just another tool to hopefully help you get the best information you need to create the best design that you possibly can.